This is one of the skill cues for standard number 8, advocacy. This is all about advocating for yourself. And our action word is ask. A, assess your needs. S, speak up. K, keep advocating. Learning how to advocate for yourself is something that you will use in countless situations in your life. So let's look at the steps of the ask skill cues. So step 1 is to assess your needs. Determine what it is that you need in that moment. Do you need a friend? Do you need alone time? Do you need support, more advanced support than what your friend can provide? What is it that you need? This first step is all about determining what that is. The second step is to speak up and actually seek what you need from that first step. So this could be telling someone like, I need space. It could be, hey, I need help. Or it could be calling 911. It could be calling a crisis hotline. Whatever it is, this is where you're going to speak up. And then that last step is to keep advocating. So sometimes we don't get what we need on the first ask, and we need to keep advocating for ourselves. We need to trust our gut and trust what we know that we need, and to keep advocating until we get what we need. Self-advocacy can be a very challenging skill, but it is something that we desperately need in our life if we want to live our best life. So those are the skill cues you can follow to help you advocate for yourself.